5 things that will skyrocket your e-commerce sales. Number 1, email marketing. Email marketing is super powerful, so you can market your email list of past purchasers or even hit people that have abandoned their checkout and send them a blast that allows them to come back to your store and purchase. Number 2, SMS marketing. This is text marketing. Same idea as email marketing, except it goes to their phone and sends them a text. Super, super powerful. 3 is retargeting. Setting up retargeting ads that are gonna retarget customers that came to your store but didn't buy. Number 4, post-purchase upsell. What is post-purchase upsell? Somebody goes to your store, they buy the product, and then after they've inputted their card information, they've purchased the product, everything is done, it hits them with a special offer, which is called a post-purchase upsell, to gives them a discount on a specific product, and all they have to do is click one button and it adds it to their cart. They don't have to re-enter any of their card information. Number 5 is gift giveaways, small gift giveaways. Get a small gift that maybe cost $1, 50 cents, $2, and add it as an incentive to give to customers when they purchase your product. So stop wasting time and go make that money online, baby. Let's go.